Right, so we are back with the BMW. This time it's version 3 of trying to make it not a heap of shit. So we're going to give it a go over the next 2 days and try to get it working so we can use it, because it's just sat there for a while being completely ignored. Josh likes it.
That's all that matters.
Right, we bought bushings for it. We got some suspension, which we'll talk about when the time comes. But we're booked in for a drift day in the car. Look how great that looks. What a shit, mate.
GTR spring.
Is it out an R32 GTR?
Yeah. Worth 40 grand.
So we've called it the sketchiest E36 in Ireland. Look, everything on it is sharp or broken.
The coolest.
You bought it and just put tarty cool bits on it to make it look really cool.
Yeah, I didn't spend any
You
money
didn't spend
on the
any.
performance.
I love it. You spent no money on the actual performance of the car. You just spent loads of money on aesthetics, and then went, yeah, it looks good. You bought wheels to fit your arches,
That's all I'm at.
and that's literally it. Yeah, it is. Well, style is everything.
Gone. Goodbye. Out with the crust. Look at that. That is delicious. This used to be a bump stop, maybe?
The car is quite handy for some stuff, though, look.
Yeah, you can just reach around. Just mind your hand.
If you
There's
want to pull the suspension straight up into the boot.
yeah. There's no problems there whatsoever. So this was a kind of a slightly decent-ish eBay coilover once upon a time with a helper spring.
It looked nice when
It looked nice. Did you put them in?
No, these are just...
They were just in it.
Yeah.
They've just been Irished up.
They don't move.
They don't move, they don't work. Scutter. We get a lot of emails from people saying, you know, if we wanted to use their products or whatever, and usually we're not too pushed on that stuff, but this company, MaxpeedingRods, reached out to us, and it was right in time for the E36 budget build. But our friend Baz actually runs their rods in his 20 valve 7A GE engine, and they seem pretty decent. And Josh actually had these coilovers in his E36. Budget friendly coilover that done the trick. Yeah. You have nothing but nice things to say about them. Perfect for a machine like this, where someone wants to just do drifting on a budget, which is obviously what we're doing, as you can see here. So we're going to replace this tired suspension setup with some fresh stuff. So massive shout out to MaxpeedingRods, and yeah, they hooked us up. What can you tell us about them, Josh?
They're yellow in colour.
Yellow in colour.
That's orange.
But orange in real life.
I'm colourblind.
They've a Ford's T6061 aluminium with T6 camber plate.
T6.
Pillow ball upper mount.
Nice.
A hexagon socket head bolts.
One.
Nice.
High tensile performance spring.
Yeah.
A dust boot to protect damper seal.
That's kind of nice.
And then a adjustable high intensity full length steel or aluminium shaft.
So these coilovers are like a step above like the €200 eBay coilovers. So these would be like the next step up.
And you can get them in different
€400, yeah, you can get them in a bunch of different colours. But Josh bought these, he had them in his drift car for ages, and his road car, and he thought they were pretty decent. And when they reached out to us, we were like, yeah,
Thanks.
this is pretty cool, we'd like to work with you, because I guess this is something that other people could buy if you're trying to build a budget-friendly track car. MaxpeedingRods sent these out to us for free and asked us to install them in a video. Like I said, it's something that we don't usually do, but this definitely like lined up with what we were going to do with the E36.
Taking leaps into your vehicle.
Taking leaps into your
We're gonna leap
vehicle.
them in now in a minute.
That's the best thing ever.
I could leap them in from here if I wanted.
Does it actually say that?
That's their slogan. MaxpeedingRod, taking leaps into your vehicle. Thank you very much, MaxpeedingRod. They will turn Project Shitbox into maybe less of a shitbox. I almost feel bad putting something this nice and shiny into this car. Ooh. Hello there.
Hello.
That's lovely. Did you think you'd be installing a set of these again somewhere in the future?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. These would be Johns. These are probably like what, £220 sterling or something
Probably
off
less
eBay?
nowadays.
Less. So this is like the super budget coilover that you usually could chuck into an E36. They're still pretty decent.
Nah, they'd be alright for road.
Yeah, and then these are definitely then a bit of a step up.
Doesn't it?
What am I?
What's he called?
Mr. Price.
Oh yeah.
That's all I want.
Cool.
What?
We're in. Do you want to hold that?
Yeah, I will do that. Just Ireland's mucky texture versus brand new stuff. Sorry, coilovers.
Oh, hello.
Very nice. Taking leaps into your vehicle.
Safety first. I want the less amount of droop as possible.
Less amount of droop.
Yeah.
That's that. So the old Maxpeedings are in, the bushings in. She should be sharp. Sharp car.
Wicked.
It's a bit of a shame chucking them into something that's this crusty, but they should be a very nice upgrade. Roughness.
Oh, well, that's on there.
Nice. Shockingly bad. Yeah. Looks better already. Might settle a bit, maybe.
Hey, so
This episode is Come on.
okay, lads. Hey, so because the lovely guys at Maxpeedingrod.
This episode was brought to you by MaxpeedingRods. Continue.
Yeah, anyway, so Maxpeedingrod hooked us up with the coilovers. So if you put JCBX Max into this link, which I'll put in the description, you'll get 8% off of all of their products on their website, which is
80% off JCBX.
8% off.
8% off.
Yeah, so you'll get 8% off at the checkout if you use the code, which we'll put in the link in the description. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. No,
Let's try not to laugh.
Right,
We
I know,
put
I know.
all this out,
Let's do it again, right,
No,
so-
because the coilovers are actually great in the E36,
Yeah.
but it seems like I'm taking the piss.
I know
now.
it does, yeah, because we enjoy them.
Yeah, so thanks for the coilovers, because
Yeah.
we really enjoyed them. Hi, I'm not Tom Chilton, but Tom Chilton, British touring car racing driver, is a spokesperson for Maxpeeding. I'm not Tom Chilton, but Tom Chilton is a spokesperson for MaxpeedingRods. Hi Tom, if you're watching. Good speaking.
See you in the next episode, lads, where
Bye.
we drift the E36. E36
I
drift.
like British touring cars.
Bye.
Bye.